Alright, today we're going to be making a little baby whale. This is a no-sew project, so it doesn't require any sewing. Yeah, I'm going to show you how to do this. For this project, you're going to need two different colors. You're going to need this white right here. This is marshmallow white, and then this is just a blue. Whatever kind of blue you like best, you can make whatever color of blue. Like light blue or navy blue, whatever you like best. I use this kind of gray color, and that's what I'm going to be using today. You're also going to use these eyes. I don't remember what size they are, but they're like the best size for little ones like this. And then some backs to that. And you're not going to need a yarn needle for this, so you'll just need some stuffing and a crochet hook. I'm going to use a 5.5 millimeter and then some scissors. And, oh, a stitch marker if you use stitch markers. I use stitch markers, so I would suggest using stitch markers. Okay? All right, let's get started. To get started, we are going to make a magic ring alternative. That is going to be with making a slip knot, chaining 2, and then going into that first stitch and single crocheting however many you need. In this case, it's going to be 8. We're going to single crochet 8. I always like to do 4 on one side and then 4 on the other side. Ooh. I've been doing this for like so many years and I still mess up all the time. All right. That yarn is just going to go on the floor now. It's fine. Okay. Now that we've done 8, I'm going to double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. That would not be good. Okay, 8. Perfect. We're going to pop that stitch marker in that last stitch that we did. And then we're going to increase all the way around, which is going to be 8 times. Your final stitch count is going to be 16. All right, now that we are at, that's going to be round 2. This is going to be round 3 that we're going to work on. Round 3 is going to be single crochet and then an increase right after that. And you're just going to repeat that 8 times. Your final stitch count from that is going to be 24. Perfect. It's going to kind of look like an octagon, but it's fine. It'll round up in a minute. Speaking of which, we're going to do 3 full rounds, 4, 5, and 6, that are going to be 24 stitches around, because that's our final count. So it's going to be all the way around, single crochets all the way around, 3 rows, okay? And go. It's going to take you probably just a hot second. Put on a movie, listen to some music. Listen to an audiobook. Audiobooks are fire when crocheting. That's round 4. Okay, that's round 5. Still going strong. 1 more to go. Whew. Sorry. All right. To roll up my sleeves. It's getting pretty intense here. I find that when I'm crocheting and my hands start cramping up, I have to like pop my fingers because legitimately my hands just get so cramped up when I'm crocheting. Stretch your hands often when you're crocheting, especially if you're crocheting like the same stitches like this, like single crochets over and over and over again. It can really mess you up. All right. And there we go. That is round number 6. Now we're going to do the next run, which is going to be run number 7. Crazy, I know. 7 comes after 6. It's wild. We're going to single crochet 21 so that there's 3 stitches left. Yeah, you can just single crochet until there's 3 stitches left, and then I'll show you how to do that part. Just get all the way over there. Not quite all the way around, but close enough, right? Oops, went one too many. Okay, there we go. All right, what we're going to do next is going to be a little bit more on the complicated side, but it's still pretty easy. So just kind of pay attention and you'll be fine. What you're going to do is you're going to, in the back loops only, this part starts in the back loops only. You're going to slip stitch. And then we're going to chain 5, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we're going to skip this last chain that we made. Single crochet, half double crochet twice. Nope, half double crochet, and then another half double crochet. And then we're going to single crochet. And this is all along that chain that you made. And then you're going to slip stitch onto the body, and you're going to do that twice, okay? Just the chaining 5 thing. 2, 3, 4, 5. Single crochet, half double crochet, and then another half double crochet, and then a single crochet, and then slip stitch it in that last stitch. We're making sure to do this in the back loops only. Whoop. Perfect. All right. Just so that we can go along the stitches on the inside and use all of those. So that, yeah, you'll see it, you'll get it. All right, we're going to change the color here actually to white. It's a beautiful white. Look, we're the same color. Identical. People are like, wow, Ziri, you're so pasty. I'm like, thank you. Like, you look exactly like this. Hopefully summertime will be better. Anyway, back to actual crocheting. We're going to start by decreasing 12 times. All the way around. Just decreasing all the way around. And then we'll put the eyes in. That's the fun part. We're going to put the eyes in after this round. We're going to go all the way around. We're not going to stuff quite yet because stuffing is the fun part. And we save the fun part for last. Or one of the last at least. Oh, let me double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Oh, it's hard to get into these back loops. 12. Perf. Okay. Oh, my fingernails. Okay. Perfect. Okay, now that we kind of get where the front of the face is and where the tail is, it'd be kind of awkward if you put them on the side, and then you accidentally, like, you put these back here and then you put the eyes, like, right here. That would be really awkward. But it's whatever. You're going to put the eyes in rows, in between rows 5 and 6. So that's going to be these ones right here. You can put them in however you like. That looks dumb, but these ones are a little bit farther apart. These ones look like a mild person. This ones look like a crazy little guy. The farther apart, the better, I always say. Now he looks like a legit fish. More to the side. Yes. That is glorious. He looks like a total derp head, and we love it. All right, we're going to take these backs, secure it in there. Boop. Boop. Perfect. Oh, I love him. He's such a derposaurus. Okay, we're going to do one more round, and then we're going to stuff this bad boy. Also, I'm going to fasten this off because, those are so loud. We need to really oil those. We're not going to need blue for the rest of this project, so you'll be fine. We're going to then decrease for 8 of these. So we're going to decrease, no, not 8. Wow, wait a second. We're going to decrease 6 times. Actually, I'm going to do 3 of these decreases, and then we're going to stuff it. Okay, decrease 3 times. Woo-yah. What I always like to do, the best way I like to stuff, is to like wrap them into a bit of a ball. And I like to get like really soft stuffing, not like pillow stuffing. The stuff gets literally everywhere. It's the worst. But you're gonna get this like nice soft stuffing. It's built for like amigurumis. Oh, it's glorious, trust me. We're just gonna jam it all in there. You can either jam it in there, you can roll it in nice balls, whatever you want. And then we're just gonna keep decreasing those last 3. 2, 3. Glamours. Okay. Perfect. Right there. I'm going to snip this off. Those are so creaky. Okay, and then we're just going to pull this all closed. Make sure it's nice and fastened up all nice. I said nice twice, but that's okay. Make sure it's all pulled together through each of those loops individually. And then we're going to pull this yarn through back in there, hide it. And there you go. You have your derpy looking whale. We have 2 whales now, and I love both of them. They're so squishable. Yeah, so there you have it. There's making your own little whale. You can change the fin pattern if you like. I like this fin pattern. I think it makes them look cute, and then they curl. Oh, I love when they curl. They look like little... Oh, look at them. Yes, but cutie patooties, we love them so much. If you want to see more like this, go ahead and follow us or like subscribe. Go ahead and subscribe if you want to see more stuff like this. And like the video if you like this cute whale. If you don't like the whale, then that's okay. But I would encourage you to like it. It helps us out so much. Anyway, hope you have a lovely day. Happy crocheting.